Do you have a TikTok account and you have attached your Visa card with your account to receive payment or you to purchase anything? And now you want to delete or remove your Visa card from your TikTok account, or you want to replace your Visa card with another card. For that you have to remove your old TikTok old Visa card. So to remove your Visa card from your TikTok account, you have to open your TikTok account, TikTok app, and simply go to your profile. On your profile on top right side, click on three lines and go to settings and privacy. Once you go to setting and privacy, now here at number 4 you are seeing balance option. Just click on this balance option. When you click on this balance option, now there is an option called Visa card. Now I don't have attached my Visa card, that's why it's not showing. But when you have attached your Visa card, it will show here. You have to do just click on that Visa card option, click on your card number or Visa card option, then they will ask you to remove your card. There is an option in front of you to remove your Visa card. Just simply click on that option, will remove Visa card, and your Visa card will be removed from your TikTok account. So that's where you can remove or replace your all Visa card account with another.